All right, guys. This is a sad one, a very, very sad one. APC, they are currently mourning. APC Chieftain, the Director of Administration, Mr. NAIJA, who was kidnapped a couple of days ago, have been killed. So as we are talking right now, APC, they are in serious pains. So I just thought I should come, and speak over this whole thing that happened. Kidnapper went all the way, to go by a whole APC Director of Administration, Chieftain of APC, the highest or one of the highest level. This is very, very sad. They pay 50 million naira ransom. APC, they put money together, APC, yes, to pay the ransom the kidnapper asked for, which was just 50 million. To them was just 50 million naira. They paid. If they, at least they obeyed, they paid. But after they've collected the money, they buy Mr. NAIJA, the APC Director of Administration. So as we talk, so APC Secretariat have been closed down. Everywhere closed down. Investigation is currently going on why this APC man was just buying like that. You can see everything on the screen, I'd like us to listen to, watch this Fulani S-men people dancing on the road, on the street with gun and everything. They have taken over most of the state now, or few of the states in Nigeria, and I'd like us to watch this quickly. Alright guys, I want you guys to also listen to what Isaac Fayose have to say, a message to Sheyi Tinubu and the Papa. Watch this.
Someone talk say, in Papa are the best. the best father for the NAIJA. And people are saying, your papa no be the best. Idris, you na don't make am popular more. You na they make that music trend now. How can you say now your papa be the best? Sheyi, that's not possible. You don't know what is happening in Plateau, Benue right now. People are buying. They are buying people every day. Now, minimum wage cannot pay NEPA bill for Nigeria again for 1 month. 70,000. No fee pay NEPA bill for my country anymore. How is your father the best? Your father promised us local government autonomy up till now. Na autonomy we see there. Your papa declared state of emergency in rivers where people no slap each other. But your papa ignored Plateau, ignore Benue, ignore Katsina, where then they buy people every day. How is your dad the best? And you said your papa are the best. Nigerians are telling you, your papa no be the best. NBC come ban the guy's music. Abba, that one is below the belt. Make it an hope they learned from Obasanjo time. Obasanjo ban Nigeria jaga jaga. Even children where they born after that time, then they sing Nigeria jaga jaga. This one where you na don't ban now. Tell your papa Sheyi. It's trending as we speak. I don't like truth. Truth is bitter. Your dad is not the best for Nigeria. In fact, it's looking like your dad is one of the worst for Nigeria as we speak. You na remove subsidy. We praise you now. We think say dollar go come down. Go and check today. Pounds don't go up. Dollar don't go up. How is your father the best? And NBC now banning a song. You know they hide truth. Truth that like smoke. Koshebo Mabeasho Sheyi, your dad is not the best. And Idris song where you na ban for Nigeria is trending all over the world. Congratulations, Idris.
Sheyi, tell your papa country hard. Tell your papa, Sheyi, tell your papa people they die. Tell your papa.
You see, I don't have much to say on this. What's your take? This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting us. Thank you. Take care and bye for now.